I said, can we do Dog and Butterfly like 50 times before we even go to rehearsal today? Because these two, they are so locked in. I feel like I'm coming in, so I feel such a responsibility, positive, to really get it right, because I'm getting ready to piggyback onto the two greatest singers, in my opinion,
well,
in
you
the
better
history
not
of the
screw
world.
it up.
I know. Thanks so much, Anne. Okay, give it to me one more time.
See the dog and butterfly, dog and butterfly, very light to fly.
Yeah.
The dog and butterfly.
When I first met Anne and Nancy back in the 80s, I was just signed to RCA. I think I was around 18 years old, and my eyes were sparkling. And I had met women like Bonnie Raitt, and they were next on my list. And sure enough, I showed up and I went backstage. The hair, the beauty, just the attitude.
That was the biggest hair of all.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
And when I sat and listened to this next song, I was mesmerized. You know how when you're just frozen and your mouth's open and you forget where you are? There are no boundaries. Timelessness, I think, is the word I think about this song. And I demanded that they do this song. They've been singing it for so long, but I said, I want to sing this with my girls.
There I was with the old man, stranded again, so off I'd ran. A young world crashing around me, no possibilities of getting what I need. He looked at me and smiled, said, no, 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 child. See the dog and butterfly up in the air, he like to fly. The dog and butterfly below, she has to try, but she rolled back down to the warm, soft ground, laughing though she don't know why. She don't know why. Dog and butterfly. Upon your secret place, safe in the trees, you had tears on your face, wrestling with your desires, frozen strangers stealing your fires. The message hit my mind, only words that I could find. See the dog and butterfly, dog and butterfly. We're getting older and the world's getting colder. For the life of me, I don't know the reason why. Maybe it's living that's making us give it. My heart's falling in, taking back home the time. We're balanced together like ocean upon sky. Another night in a strange town, one moonlight, holy, the light is down.